watch my video. So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Crafty Neha Prema. So before starting the video, a very happy Diwali to all of you. I know अभी दिवाली को बहुत टाइम है लेकिन है तो इसी वीक में. So I want to wish you a very happy Diwali. So hello guys, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. I am Neha and this is my YouTube channel Crafty Neha Prema. So for today's video I am going to show you a Diwali decorating item. हिंदू फैमिलीज में शुभ और लाभ की बहुत वैल्यू है. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम शुभ और लाभ ही बनाए हमारे मेन गेट्स के लिए. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजी, आई स्वेयर यू विल बी वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हाइल वाचिंग दिस. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So this is all about for today's video and this is the final look of my Shubh and Labh. I made it square, you can make it round, circle, diamond, whatever shape you want to give you can. And this is going to be a very small video but very easy. I swear you will be amazed by the final look of these. And at last I want to say you once again a very happy Diwali to all of you. Don't crack crackers and be careful, light candles and diyas and enjoy this Diwali. And I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoy the video please give this video a thumbs up and like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.